So I have a fix to this glitch. So I got this PlayStation 3 Fat. This is a CECHE-01. So one of the backwards compatible models. But it won't, if you go to the PlayStation store, you open it, just stays on a black screen. Now, I believe there is some other fixes to this, but at least the experience with my console is that it had to do something with my disk drive. So if we turn this off, just give it a second. And if I pick this up here, notice that my disk drive is disconnected. Now here, go ahead and put it back on. Oh, probably should do that when your power's off. Now with it plugged in, you should be able to just... And notice now that I have a drive light too. Notice now, if I go to the PlayStation store, it boots into it. I'm not sure if this occurs with any other components not also being connected, but at least this is what I found it to be with the disk drive. There you go. Thanks for watching.